Hello, and welcome to Docens Digitalis TV, the channel where you'll learn the essential English vocabulary to understand and navigate laws, politics, and government, especially in the United States. If you've ever struggled to understand legal terms or wanted to improve your ability to discuss legal matters in English, you're in the right place. Here, we explain key concepts in a simple and practical way so you can use them with confidence. In today's video, we'll talk about the rule of law, what it means in English. This is one of the most important concepts in politics and law, and it affects how governments and societies function. Let's break it down. The rule of law means that everyone, citizens, leaders, and government officials, must follow the law. No one is above the law, and laws must be applied fairly and equally to all people. This principle is the foundation of democracy and ensures justice and stability in society. Without the rule of law, governments could act without limits, and leaders could make decisions based on personal interests rather than legal principles. That's why many legal systems are built to protect this concept. A key part of the rule of law is due process. This means that laws must be enforced fairly, and every person has the right to a fair trial before being punished. In the United States, this right is protected by the Constitution, ensuring that people cannot be arrested or punished without legal justification. Another important term related to the rule of law is separation of powers. This means that the government is divided into three branches: the legislative branch, which makes laws, the executive branch, which enforces laws, and the judicial branch, which interprets laws. This system prevents any one branch from having too much power. You may also hear about checks and balances. This principle ensures that different branches of government can limit each other's power, so no leader or institution can act without oversight. The rule of law also protects human rights. It guarantees freedoms like freedom of speech, the right to vote, and equal treatment under the law. Without the rule of law, these rights could be easily taken away. By understanding this concept, you'll be better prepared to follow political discussions, legal debates, and news about justice and government. The more you learn, the more confident you'll become in navigating legal and political conversations in English. If this video is helpful, please support our channel by liking this video, sharing it with others, and subscribing to Docens Digitalis TV. Your support helps us continue creating valuable content for learners like you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.